Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys a typical realistic what I eat in a day. I am vegetarian and it is a lifestyle choice that I made for myself. I don't judge others whether they eat meat or not. So please don't leave like any hate or like negativity in the comments. I doubt I'll get any, but I just want to put that out there before we begin the video. Oh yeah, so another thing I want to mention is these video clips are actually from a day from last week because I started filming this video last week and I'm just filming like the intro and stuff today, if that makes sense. Okay, so for breakfast that day I made avocado toast and I also made whipped coffee. Okay guys, so I'm about to make my avocado toast right now. Okay, so the bread that I use is just this like organic loaf, 12 whole grains and seeds bread. It's from Costco. I really like seedy breads. And then this is my avocado I'm gonna have. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by toasting my bread. Okay, so I just like to cut my avocado in half. Okay, so after I cut the avocado in half, I like to save the side with the seed in it for my sister. Okay, and keeping the seed with the avocado helps it not to spoil as fast. And then to my avocado toast I like to add some salt. So this is just pink Himalayan salt, and then I like to add black pepper to it. Okay, so then afterwards I just mush it all together using a fork. Okay, so then next I like to use this Crystal vegan butter on my toast. Okay, then afterwards I just spread my avocado on my bread. Okay, so then the final toppings I like to add to my avocado toast is this everything but the bagel seasoning and these crushed red chili flakes. I like to sprinkle it just over my avocado toast. Okay, so now that my avocado toast is done, I'm just gonna go eat this and I'll show you guys what I have for my next meal. Okay guys, so right now I'm making some whipped coffee, and for this all you're gonna need is some instant coffee, some sugar, and hot water. So to make it, you're gonna need equal parts of all the ingredients. Most people use 1 tablespoon of each for 1 serving, but since I'm making some for my sister and since we usually drink it out of big cups, I'll be using 4 tablespoons of the instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. Okay, so after you add in all the ingredients, the instant coffee, sugar, and the boiling hot water, you're going to want to mix it and whisk it all together until it's light brown and fluffy. Personally, I use an electric mixer because it's a lot easier and it takes less time to do it, but if you don't have one, you can just whisk it by hand. It's just going to take you a lot longer to make it. Okay, so you want to keep mixing it until it's light and fluffy like this and super thick. Okay, so then next you want to get your milk. I'm just using this So Nice organic almond milk by Earth's Own, and usually I use the sweetened vanilla almond milk, but this is just the one my dad bought, so this is the one I'm going to use. So next you're going to want to add some ice to it. Okay, for my sister's with coffee, I'm going to be using this chocolate almond milk by Almond Breeze. It's really good and I really like chocolate almond milk with whipped coffee. It's really good and it makes it a lot sweeter if you like it sweeter. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the whipped coffee in my cup. Okay, so I just finished making the whipped coffee. We always drink ours in these Starbucks like reusable cups, so that's why we make more, because these cups are a lot bigger than the regular glasses. Yeah, so next you just want to get a straw and then mix it all together and enjoy. Okay, so now I'll show you some of the snacks I had throughout the day. So one of the things I made was a strawberry milkshake. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna make some strawberry milkshakes for a snack, I guess. So what we're using is just some French vanilla ice cream, some strawberries, and some cream and ice, and we're putting it all in the blender and we're gonna blend it all up. Okay, so we just finished making our milkshakes. We put a little strawberry on the rim for our decorations, and yeah, so we're just gonna go drink our strawberry milkshakes. Okay, so for lunch that day I made a Beyond Meat plant-based veggie burger. So for my lunch today I'm warming up this Beyond Meat plant-based burger. Okay, so I'm about to eat my burger right now. I just toasted the bun. I added some cheddar cheese, pickles, ketchup. And for dinner that day, I had like a slow cooker, curried lentil, and sweet potato soup. Okay, so the ingredients you need are 2 white onions, 2 large sweet potatoes, 2 cans of lentils, 1 can of coconut milk, quarter pack of spinach, a chunk of ginger. Okay, so the spices added to it is Jamaican spice curry powder, some chili powder, some all-purpose seasoning, some table salt. Okay, so after you wash and peel your sweet potato, you're gonna take one of them and you're gonna grate it, and then the other one you're gonna cube. Okay, so now that one potato is shredded in, and we're gonna cut the other potato. Okay, so after we added in the chopped up sweet potatoes, we added in the quarter of the pack of spinach, and now we're about to add in the 2 cans of lentils. Make sure you rinse them off first because they're in that like weird water. Okay, so we're putting it on the 6-hour setting, and so it will be done in 6 hours. Okay, so it's about 6 hours later and the soup is ready, so I'm about to eat it now. Okay, so I always have some sort of dessert every day, and for dessert that day, my sister made some banana bread, and I also had cookies and cream ice cream. Okay, so that's basically it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps and supports me out a lot. Comment down below your favorite dessert food, and make sure you turn on my post notifications because I post every Sunday and Wednesday. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.